welcome back. Hope you're enjoying your holiday season with your family and friends. हम तो enjoy कर रहे हैं. लेकिन जो हमने plan किया है, that's a ferry ride basically from Burley Beach to Hamilton Island. So we'll just pass through Whitehaven and then Daydream and then obviously Hamilton Island. First stop जो हमारा होगा वो होगा Whitehaven Beach पे. बहुत ही सुंदर है. So it's more known for camping, barbecue because most of the people just go day trip वहाँ करते हैं. White sand is beautiful. 98% silica sand में है. That's what it's known for. And ऊपर से देखेंगे drone view में, aerial view में, it looks gorgeous, absolutely stunning. But we're going to stay there for a few hours. So जो ferry लेंगे हम उसमें they are organizing a barbecue there, which is good. It's included in the whole package. So we're going to stop there a couple of hours and then we'll move on to Hamilton Island. Second stop हमारा होगा Hamilton Island, which is very known. It's most popular for holiday destinations across the globe. So we're going to be stopping there, and I really want to see because it's a car-free island. So we can't take car. Obviously, you're transported by ferries. It's got its own helipad as well, where I think most of the Hollywood actors or maybe big stars, they just want to have a private holidays there. So we're going to stop there. It's going to be almost a whole day there. Okay, so we're all packed up and ready to go. We'll catch a boat. Ferry. We'll catch a ferry and we'll see you at the first stop, which is Whitehaven. We are on the ferry right now, ready to rock and roll. After all those COVID instructions and following all that, having a nice breakfast, ready to go. Excitement भरपूर है, लहरों के साथ चलते हुए. You can see beautiful. हमारा फर्स्ट स्टॉप जो होगा, स्टॉप नहीं होगा हमारा, we'll just pass through Daydream Island, which is called a mecca for sailing enthusiasts because people who love sailing, that's their mecca pretty much. बहुत सारे outdoor activities वहाँ पे बहुत है. Snorkeling है, sail boarding है, and jet skiing, parasailing, lots of them. People love just going to Dream Island and then staying there और फिर सारी activities enjoy करते हैं. But we're going to bypass this today. Maybe next time we will visit that and have maybe you can fly directly from Cairns or you can just fly from Hamilton Island. पर अभी हम उसको bypass करके we'll just straight go to Whitehaven. That's our destination.
वेलकम टू द पैराडाइज। हम वाइट हेवन बीच पे हैं। बेसिकली हम उधर से आए, उस बोट में आए पहले, एंड देन वी गॉट ट्रांसपोर्टेड ऑन दो स्मॉल बोट्स, क्योंकि यहाँ कोई लोडिंग डॉक नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट स्टेशन पे। तो वहाँ से छोटी छोटी जो बोट्स हैं उन पे हमें यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट किया। वी गोइंग टू बी हियर फॉर hour and a half। बट अगर आप देखो पीछे यहाँ से I think big stars from Hollywood, they come here on their private jets, and वहाँ पे हेलीकॉप्टर्स हैं, वो लैंड करते हैं यहाँ पे, and they have their exclusive beach to themselves to enjoy without anyone। but आज हम हैं पैराडाइज में। I'm really lucky to see this white sand। आप देखोगे, I believe that's the name, white heaven, just because of if you see from the distance ये पूरा white लगता है, and then blue water, absolutely stunning, बहुत सुंदर है। तो we'll just enjoy the beach। आप थोड़ा सा हम ड्रोन यहाँ उड़ाएंगे, देखते हैं कैसा रहता है। we're practicing, couple of times में प्रैक्टिस किया, थोड़ा shaky था to begin with, but then अभी थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस आया, कॉन्फिडेंस आया है हमें, तो हम उसको थोड़ा उड़ा के आपको ओवरऑल व्यू दिखाएंगे अभी। so keep watching।
Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd and I think we'll all die. Her she's perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over again.
Okay, we're done with the White Heaven, pretty much packing up. Enjoyed the whole water, hopefully you enjoyed with us too. बहुत मज़ा आया। यहाँ पे वो स्टिंगर स्विम सूट्स जो होता है वो फ्री कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिलते हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज लॉट ऑफ जेली फिश अराउंड हियर, सो वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिलता है। सो दैट वाज इट। It was really good experience, and we'll be starting now. Take a boat again, the small one, to go to the ferry there, and then we'll just go back to Hamilton Island.
We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place over spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over again. Tell me a lie, and I'll tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for
Okay guys, we are here in Hamilton Island, finally arrived. So I am on the island right now, which लोग यहाँ पे बोट हायर करते हैं, पूरा क्रूज़ कर लेते हैं हैमिल्टन हार्बर पे। और यहाँ पे पीछे से ईटरीज, बहुत ज़्यादा रेस्टोरेंट, बहुत अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं। We had just had the lunch. Was all organized within the package of a boat, so वो बड़ा अच्छा था, so we don't have to worry about कहाँ खाएं क्या करें। ये हमारी सीगो चला रही है, I don't know, she must be hungry, but I can feel the air beautiful. थोड़ा humid है, I think summer में maybe it gets a bit hotter, but still it's amazing. We're also thinking of hiring these buggies because यहाँ cars allowed नहीं है, so that way we have to hire a buggy so we can just go around the island and just look around. यहाँ क्या है? Let's have a look and I'll see you soon. Beautiful beach here. I think these are mostly the residents who is actually staying here. Yeah, it looks like little Miami, I think. But it's so beautiful. People love it. And mostly people come here just to relax and tan. हमें तो टैन भगवान ने वैसे ही पैदा किया है, टैन हमको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, but it's amazing. You can just see the environment, how people are enjoying here. It's mini heaven.
यार बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मज़ा आया आज। 3 पीना कलाटा तो ख़त्म हो चुकी है, चौथी की तैयारी है। but it's a beautiful place and I enjoyed every moment of this. Yeah, it is going on very well. We had a good, I recommend everybody, it is a heaven here. अगर आप आना चाहते हो, you should come to Hamilton Highland, stay here. This is one of the best places in the world, I can tell you. One of the best places. Yeah, बहुत मज़ा आया and I enjoyed every moment of it.
Okay, we're ready to go home now. It's nearly 5:30. This is चलते हैं. पूरा दिन यहाँ हमने टाइम स्पेंड किया. It was exhausting, tiring because the weather बहुत humid था. But at the same time, a very excellent environment. Beaches, जो सब कुछ इंडोर एक ही जगह इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ना. It looks so amazing. इतनी सारी activities. People who want to do activities, love water. It's great for them. But हम आज थोड़ा थके हैं. Full day in the sun. But it was awesome. So we're just going back now. And hopefully you like the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and share your comments and feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.